Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to curve words in PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. So I'm gonna type a text over here. Okay, click on the text and go on shape format on top. From here, click on text effects. As you can see, click on it. Now click on transform. As you can see, there are a variety of options right over here. You can choose whatever you like. I'm going to select this one. Okay, this is looking good. As you can see, now my text is curved. So that's it for the video. That's how you can curve text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.